Hello students, this is 5th semester subject Advanced Manufacturing Process. Subject code is 22563. Traditional manufacturing is based on the use of dedicated plant and production line with little or no flexibility. Advanced manufacturing involves versatility production methods that fully utilize capital plant and are more effective, efficient and responsive. So, in our syllabus, we learn these topics. First, non-conventional machining process. Second, milling machine and milling process. Third, gear manufacturing. Fourth, fundamentals of computer-aided manufacturing. Fifth, CNC part programming. Sixth, automation and robotics. In first chapter, we discuss on following points: fundamentals of non-conventional method, working principle, setup of non-conventional machine, advantage, limitation and application of non-conventional machines. So today we will discuss on introduction of conventional and non-conventional machining process, limitation of conventional machining process, characteristics of conventional and non-conventional machining process. In this picture, one is a conventional machine. Conventional machine is also known as a traditional machine, and non-conventional machine is known as a non-traditional machine. Comparison between conventional and non-conventional. Need of conventional machining process. Material remove process divided into two groups. One, conventional machining process. Second, non-conventional machining process. So, in conventional machining process, mostly remove material in form of chips by force has been applied on the workpiece with help of cutting tool, and tool is always harder than work material. Example, lathe machine, drilling machine, slotting machine. This is the turning process, drilling process, milling process. This process come under a conventional machining process. Non-conventional machining process. Non-conventional machining process is defined as group of process that cut material by utilizing mechanical, electrical, chemical, thermal energy or combination of this energy, but do not use sharp and hard cutting tool required for the traditional manufacturing process. How it is possible? In mechanical energy, we use kinetic energy and potential energy for remove the material from workpiece. In electrical energy, spark take place between two electrical contact and small amount of material removed from workpiece. As per chemical energy concern, in this chemical reaction take place between electrolyte, so result is remove of the material from workpiece. In thermal energy also called as heat energy, energy come from temperature, so due to high temperature material remove take place. This is an example of non-conventional machining process. This is electro beam machine. In this machine, we use a electron for remove material. Limitation of conventional machining process. Harder material cannot be machined. Tool should be harder than the material to be cut. Higher tool force required to cut harder material. In diagram, you all are see machining process. In this process, tool is harder than the workpiece material. Very minute hole cannot be produced. Difficult to produce complex shape in harder material. Such type of shape is not possible in conventional machining process. Sometimes requires for surface finish and tolerance are very high. Student, if you know that when we did turning operation in lathe machine, that time you observe some tool mark on workpiece. But these tool marks means rough surface finishing. So in many cases, high surface finishing is required. So all these are limitation in conventional machining process. Characteristics of conventional machining process. Material remove take place due to application of cutting force. We have seen that more force can be applied. Energy domain is mechanical energy. In this we use kinetic energy and potential energy for material removal. Microscopic chip formation take place. Formation of chip take place due to the shear deformation. Cutting tool is required and should be harder than the material to be cut. Characteristics of non-conventional machining process. Material remove take place either by chip formation or by non-chip formation. Physical tool may be present or absent. Tool need not be harder than the workpiece. Energy domain is not necessarily mechanical but can be electrothermal or electrochemical. This is abrasive jet machine, electro discharge machine, laser beam machine. In abrasive jet machine, material remove take place by chip formation, but electro discharge machine, material remove take place by non-chip formation. In electro discharge machine, tool is present, but laser beam machine, tool is absent. But in this case, we use laser. Comparison between conventional and non-conventional. Conventional, direct contact of tool and workpiece. Non-conventional, tool are not conventional techniques like laser beam, electric arc, etc. Conventional, cutting tool is always harder than the workpiece. In non-conventional, tool may not be harder and it may not be physical present. Conventional, direct contact with tool and workpiece, so wear will take place, so life is less due to the higher wear. In non-conventional, no direct contact, so tool life is more. Conventional, generally microscopic chip formation. Non-conventional, material remove occur with or without chip formation. Conventional, material remove take place due to application of cutting force. In non-conventional, it use different energy like electrical, thermochemical, etc. to provide machining. In conventional, suitable for all material. Non-conventional, not suitable for all material. In conventional, it cannot be used to make prototype parts very effectively. Non-conventional, it can be used to produce prototype parts very effectively. Need of non-conventional machining process. Overcome difficulty to machine the material like hard material. Complex surface like dies, molds are difficult to machine as they are made from hard steel. Drilling deep hole with small hole diameter. High accuracy and high surface finish. Machining of composite.